In recent years, there have been several changes in the geopolitical landscape regarding nuclear proliferation and its impact on global peace and security. A major challenge is Iran's nuclear program. This issue has become a cause of intense debate and confrontation among global powers, particularly involving the US, Israel, and other major countries. US President Donald Trump has repeatedly expressed concern about Iran's nuclear program and has highlighted on several occasions that if Iran does not stop its nuclear program, it could have serious implications for global stability. Given the global impact of this issue, the involvement of the US and Israel is crucial as both countries have a deep interest in preventing the development of nuclear weapons by Iran. But the question arises, what does Donald Trump's new warning to Iran mean? Will Iran face US military actions? And could Israel play any significant role in this? Let us delve deeper into this complex issue and try to understand in which direction this could steer global politics. Recently, Trump gave another stern warning to Iran, stating that Iran must completely abandon its aspirations for nuclear weapons or else it would face a strong response. The statement was in the context of talks between Iranian and US diplomats in Oman, where both sides had discussed a nuclear deal, but no concrete results were reached. Therefore, the two countries will meet again on this issue next week in Rome. Trump accuses Iran of deliberately delaying signing the nuclear deal and escalating its ambitions to build nuclear weapons. Trump believes that if Iran continues its nuclear program, it will not only jeopardize the security of the Middle East but could pose a threat to the entire world. According to him, if Iran acquires nuclear weapons, it would be extremely dangerous for global peace. Trump also stated that if Iran does not halt its nuclear program, the US may have to consider using military force. Trump's statement also highlights the role of Israel. Israel, which has consistently opposed Iran's nuclear program, has repeatedly warned on international platforms about the threat of Iranian nuclear weapons. Trump believes that Israel's security is directly tied to Iran's nuclear weapons. If Iran were to acquire nuclear weapons, it would pose a grave threat to Israel. Trump said that the US, along with Israel, is ready to take every possible step to prevent this dangerous situation. Israel believes that if Iran acquires nuclear weapons, it would not only endanger Israel's security, but also destabilize the entire Middle East region. Israel has previously launched military strikes against Iran's nuclear program, and it is anticipated that Israel could take similar actions in the future. Trump's statement clearly indicates that the US and Israel will work together on this issue and may resort to military action if necessary. Meanwhile, Iran continues to claim that its nuclear program is for peaceful purposes and is unwilling to sign any nuclear agreement that calls for a complete cessation of its nuclear program. Iran asserts that its nuclear program is for energy production and medical purposes, not for the development of military weapons. However, experts believe that Iran is rapidly producing enriched uranium and may soon be close to developing a nuclear bomb. In this context, several international powers such as the US and Israel are consistently pressuring Iran to stop its nuclear program. However, Iran's leaders have made it clear that they intend to continue their nuclear program despite international pressure. The international community's divided stance on Iran's nuclear program further complicates the issue. Some countries believe Iran should be stopped from developing nuclear weapons, while others believe that Iran's nuclear program is only for peaceful purposes and poses no threat. The resolution of this complex issue can only be achieved through diplomatic efforts. More active dialogue and transparency are needed to build trust between the US and Iran. A strong and transparent nuclear agreement could be developed that helps address the concerns of both parties. Furthermore, the process of dialogue with Israel and other regional countries should be expedited to ensure stability in the Middle East. On the other hand, if diplomatic efforts fail, The international community will need to formulate a robust military and economic policy to prevent Iran from developing nuclear weapons. India should also play its part in this matter as India and Iran share strategic relations. India should take steps to help rebuild trust between Iran and the US and seek a resolution to this complex issue. Iran's nuclear program has become a serious challenge to global security. Donald Trump's recent warning shows that the US is serious about resolving this issue. If diplomatic efforts fail, the risk of military action may increase. However, a diplomatic solution should remain the priority as military confrontation could be devastating for global peace. The determination of the direction of this complex issue between Iran, the US and Israel will be extremely important for global peace and security. Therefore, viewers, let us end the discussion here and note today's question. What could be the impact of Donald Trump's statement on Iran's nuclear weapons on global politics and diplomacy? Discuss.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.